chaos. We're going to sort of start wrapping up things and where we are sort of leaving off today. So it's a pretty good close. Nifty, Sensex new highs, Bank Nifty, midcap, small cap indices looking up, and nothing to really complain. The one space where we saw a complete kind of reversal, but it could be just a day-on-day sort of phenomenon, are the railway PSUs and the fertilizer PSUs. RVNL, Wright, Circon, so many of these names all down 4-5% today. They were some of the largest volume-led losers, and some of the fertilizer names like Chambal, etc., were also down. But there was so much else which took its place on the winning side. Rice companies and the LT Foods and the KRBL. Jubilant Engraver was a big mover, and so much else which really picked up pace. Some of course, what we discussed, Phoenix Limited, as Rima mentioned, CAMS was a big mover. Really long list of big volume-led gains today. Rima.
Well, frontline action, the top gainer is Maruti Suzuki, 6.5% up, followed by M&M with a 2.5%. So the auto index was the best performing index today, up close to about 2.5%. ITC played catch up, closing up above 450. So ITC's gained close to about 7% in the last 2 weeks. Hindalco, Titan rebounds after losing for the last 5 or 6 trading sessions. A bit of a rebound taking place in Titan. On the way down, Tata Consumer, Reliance, Kotak Mahindra Bank were under pressure.
Well, a few stocks that I'll be watching out for because of the F&O action that we saw. Chambal Fertilizer, that stock was down close to around 5% because, in fact, it went into the F&O ban. So let's see what's the action on that front. Hindustan Copper, it appeared that it was bracing to come out of the F&O ban. So let's see whether that happens. So at the end of the day, we'll be getting that file. So Hindustan Copper will be a stock in focus. It moved up towards the second half of trade. So keep an eye out on that one. And a couple of other names like IEX and Balrampur Chini, they could be making their way into the F&O ban. So I'll keep an eye out on all these stocks. IEX, Balrampur Chini, as well as Hindustan Copper. For the time being, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell, but you don't go anywhere. Markets Forward comes up next.